The most boring part is watching somebody put white paint on, I guess. I think I'll just use some blue today. I have it pre-mixed here anyway. And I did find with doing the flowers, you have to remember to dry your string out, or wring your string out in between, or get most of the paint off, or else you end up with mud. So I have a kind of a towel in my lap, and I'll probably put some of it back on the side of the plate. But anyway, first of all, I gotta get some paint on this. I've seen some people do multicolor ones, but I just wanted to try some blue. A friend of ours has give us my sister and I a circuit machine to play with, which cuts letters in that. So I'm kind of looking forward to putting some little sayings or whatever on. So anyway, I'm going to get ready to give this a try. Well, you see, I did that completely wrong, obviously. So, we'll do it again. I'm thinking more of my flower technique. Okay. Try this again. See if I can do better this time. Maybe it was more like... Well, not quite that, but closer. I'm not sure, but... It's sure seeming to bubble on me. I'm going to have to watch that video again. Okay. See, that's what I'm playing. And then you play, and then you figure it out. That looks pretty cool anyway. Whether I get the exact effect I want or not. Let's practice some of the technique right now anyway. Just going to do that again. What the heck? I like what it does. Okay. It's almost like a wave, isn't it? I'm just playing, like I said. It's just a play. Sometimes I find that's the best way to figure out how to do something, is just keep pulling and playing and seeing what happens for you. Well, that paint's pretty wet on there. Kind of working, but pulling them through till I get this idea down, this technique, this. Now, obviously I don't want that much paint on because I'm getting drips, but so try to take the extra off. Oh, what the heck. Just keep going. Looks pretty cool. Anyway. Get your technique down. That's what this one's for. Let's just figure out how to do it. This blue, I can't remember what color it is, or what. Well, that didn't work, but oh well. Let's try that again. I said I'm just practicing the technique so I can see what I want to do when I do the next one. Okay, let's try this over here. Might have to watch again. I think I'm getting the idea, but I'll try to keep that weight out of there. Getting the idea, but I'm not quite got the technique yet. Okay, so that. I'm getting it backwards in my head and thinking. Guess I should put a little bit more blue down there. Not too thick on the string, I don't think. No blobs. Okay, now can I pull this one out the other way? I think that's how you do it. Nope. I'm getting the one side of the feather all the time. I gotta figure out how to get the other side. YouTube is a great learning source, that's for sure. But then sometimes you get forget what you watched anyway, so. I'm sure this blue must have been stuff I mixed up before, because it does appear that there is silicone in it. I haven't put silicone, but I did mix these paints up probably 8 months ago. So I guess that goes to show how long you can keep this paint mixed up in a container. Because said, I'm just playing, just trying to get this down. I think I'm going to have to watch a couple more videos. But, like I said, sometimes it's just good to play and paint. Working on a Zen tree with painting with Jane. So I think I'll finish that up this afternoon. Like I said, I'm just playing, seeing what I like and what I don't like. We're supposed to get a big dump of snow here, so you might hear the town guy's tractor in the background. They're kind of cleaning up the streets and getting ready for the big snowfall, I guess. And we all know we can't always control the background sounds that are behind us or in the background, or else we would never record. I'm not really one to, I do play music when I paint with acrylics, but when I'm doing paint pouring, I don't usually listen to music. It's kind of strange, but the paint that I put on the background was very, very thin, so I kind of figured it would work for this. As many of you put it, like warm honey. I'm just going with what this gives me, because I might just put words on it, use that circuit machine. I have to watch a bunch of videos to figure out how to use it, so it's going to be a big learning curve. It looks fairly simple, but I guess it's just another learning curve, that's all. Just trying to pull. I don't really want any big areas of white. Like I said, this is just for mental therapy. But sometimes those are the best ones, because you're just trying to work through stuff, and that's what works. So we just do what works for us. Some people it's meditation, some people, you know, everybody's different. I just found it's best not to get frustrated. Nothing ever, I mean, things don't always turn out the way you want, but sometimes it's because that's not the way they're supposed to turn out. Sometimes we just have a preconceived notion of how I want this or that, or but if it's meant to be that way, it will be. it. It's just satisfying, just going through, pulling the paint, seeing the pretty color. And it's different. I can use it for a background for something maybe, or paint over it. Time will tell me. Well, I don't think I got the feather technique down, but at least I'm having fun, I guess. I'll have to watch a few more videos and then come and play. Sometimes you think you understand it and then you go to do it and it's like, maybe not. But if nothing else, I hope this video shows you just sometimes don't worry about it, have fun and let it be. It is kind of pretty. I think I'm going to turn it this way and take a look at it. Almost looks like rolling ocean waves. You never know. Might be a dolphin come in that one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm going to clean up this mess and I think go sit and paint for a while. So please like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy your day.